mini box truck.
That's right. We've been watching this channel called Elevated Fabworks, and there's a guy on there named Patrick. He is a fantastic fabricator and mechanic. He rescued a 1992 Hilux Toyota mini box truck. I mean, this thing is super cool. It's super beat up though, and he rescued it. He fixed it up, drove it home. So we want to draw it. We want to represent this. We're not trying to be exact. We're not trying to do a realistic drawing. We're just trying to do a representation of that truck in our own style. So we tried a lot of different things. We tried making it look sort of real, with all the correct lines and things. Then that didn't feel right. So then we threw some monster truck tires on it. We said, "What do you think of that? It looks cool, but it just didn't feel right." Then it morphed into this, which is just like no lines everywhere, but just a basic, it just kind of looked boring. So what it morphed into eventually was we decided we're gonna do a cartoon representation. We've never really done this before, where we don't worry about perfect lines. The truck ends up being misshapen in lots of places because it's cruising down the road, and just like it would in a cartoon, it kind of gets formed by how fast it's going. Okay, Odin did actually a more real drawing without the curved lines and things like that, because that was easier for him. But the rest of us tried the cartoon version, so you're about to see that today. I hope you like it. Check out Patrick's channel, Elevated Fabworks. You guys ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. All right, ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna draw a super cool mini box truck today. And the first thing we're gonna do is draw the ground. I'm going for a cartoon style. Odin's going for a regular style. So he's drawing a straight ground, I'm drawing a curved ground. Good job.
It's like a cutting for paper when it makes that sound.
It sounds just like it.
When you don't cut like this.
When you don't scissor it, but you just push it. Yeah, it does. It sounds like that. Okay, first thing that we're going to do is draw the wheels and tires. Here we go. Again, cartoon, not cartoon. He's doing circles, touching the ground. I'm doing ovals, leaning forward off the ground slightly to show how fast this thing is cruising down the road. Okay, and then the back tire will be right over here. Also oval for me, leaning forward off the ground slightly. Yours are going to be a circle, okay? Okay, we will make these circles even better, these tires even better later. We'll make them the appropriate size. For now, we're going to draw the piece that goes in between the two tires, okay?
Yeah.
It doesn't touch the tires because it's going to turn into the wheel wells, right? So I'm going to draw mine curved. He's going to go straight. Odin's already going for it. Mine is going to look just like this. Okay? Next, the front wheel well curves right around the tire. Just like that. The rear wheel well does like a half of a hexagon shape. You know what a hexagon is? 6-sided? Okay, so, and again, cartoon version, more realistic version. Intentionally messy is what we like to call it, right? We're not worrying about super clean lines. We're not worrying about it being perfect. This is an old beat up box truck, so it's okay if our drawings look old and beat up. So it's just like that. Hexagon right around the tire. Next, we draw the back end. Odin is flying along. You mind waiting for Dad? Okay. And stay in the drawing zone, okay, bud? All right, so as you can see, Odin's already a couple steps ahead of me. The next step would be to draw the back of the box. So just a short line here.
And then a bumper.
And you can do a bumper. I'm gonna do my bumper after I do this part. Is that okay? All right, so now what's gonna happen?
I do it because I want to bumper.
Yeah, in your box. I like it, buddy. That's a good way to do it. So hold on, wait for Dad, okay? So he's gonna come up straight, mine's gonna come up, and it's gonna kind of be a little bit curved because again, it's flying through the air. Ready? It's gonna look just like this. Go, huge. That's awesome. That's awesome. Okay. Next, we split the difference on this piece going from tire to tire. Split the difference. That's gonna represent where our box ends and our cab starts, okay? So again, he's going realistic. So So he's going straight up, and he's going to make a box out of it. I'm going to kind of curve mine a little bit because, after all, it's a cartoon.
Oh, the super tall boxtruck.
Cool. I really like it. It's really good.
Okay, now
So
draw your bumper.
you come. Oh, and my bumper. Yes, it's keeping me. You're keeping me honest, aren't you? All right. So we're going to draw the front bumper. Then we're going to draw the cab. Okay. Front bumper is just going to be like a rectangle with rounded corners for me. He's going to do just a regular rectangle.
Nice.
A little piece there like that. Cool. Oh, you want to bring the bumper all the way back to the wheel well. That's perfect.
What?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Bunch extra.
That's fine. You can just have the front of your truck can come to right there. You can have a little sticking out the front, okay? So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna split the difference between the top and the bottom of the box. Halfway is where we're gonna draw the top of the cab. But before you start, Odin, the cab and the box are not actually connected. They're two separate units. So we're gonna show by drawing a little curve right there that they're separate. They're not one, okay? Did you draw? Just drew a little dot?
Yeah,
okay.
so I can make
Cool. And then I'm gonna come out to about here, just as this wheel well starts. And I'm gonna start to come down on an angle to represent the windshield. And then I'm gonna, in one motion, just kind of curve this out and have this be the front of the truck.
like that.
Yeah, go for it. There you have it. Oh, you like that big boxy truck in the front. I love it. It's excellent. Okay, just a few more steps, Odin. These things are looking awesome. So, we have to draw a window.
A headlight.
Oh, a headlight. Yeah, we'll do the headlight. Headlight's just gonna look like that. Just a little L shape. Represent the headlight. What happened? Oh, it's okay. That's just part of the grill. Do you want to put your headlight up here? Yeah, just do like an L shape like Daddy did.
An L shape?
Yeah, like Dad. Look. Yeah, like that. That's perfect. All right, now we're gonna draw a window. So the window is going to mimic the shape of the cab.
Yes.
So it's gonna come up, go across, down, and back across.
Sure.
Oh, nice job, Odin.
I'm
We're gonna put a couple light lines on here, like 3 lines of
I'm gonna
different
do
lengths.
a person.
Oh, Odin's gonna draw Patrick in there. That's awesome. I'm sure he'll like seeing himself driving in there. Nice job, buddy. Next, we're gonna draw a mirror. A mirror attached to the side of the car. It's a big mirror because there's a big box on the back. So you're gonna do an oval. You can do it forward a little bit if you want to put it so it doesn't block your guy. You can put it right over.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we connect it to the door by putting 1, 2 connectors. Nice job. Oh, that's awesome, dude. Love it. Okay, now, a door handle. Just a little curved piece. Make it a little thick. And then we've got some words that we want to put on the side of this. Okay? Do you remember when we watched the video of Patrick rescuing this box truck? Remember that? There's a blue patch here and a blue patch here.
So, we're going to draw a box right here
It's
that's
a square.
MP,
PM.
PM,
Yeah.
and another box that says
Elevated.
elevated
Fabulous.
flap.
Yeah. And again, we're not going to worry about perfection. We're just going to have some fun. So, Odin and I are going to both draw those 2 boxes he was talking about. This one's a rectangle. And mine's kind of curvy. Again, not perfect. Don't want it to be.
I got to draw my M small.
Yeah, that's okay. So we thought of writing Elevated Fabworks in this one and PM standing for Patrick's initials in this one. Just thought that would be kind of a cool touch. did it. We did it. Cool, we have to finish the tires. So my tires aren't the same size exactly, so I've got to make sure that they're the same thickness. All right, and then we're gonna put little ovals in the middle. I'm gonna put ovals in the middle. Odin's gonna put circles in the middle. So we're not gonna show like any suspension or any like framework in behind there. Again, we're not trying to be realistic. We're just trying to do a representation. And I think these look fabulous. So a couple finishing touches. Yes, we have to put a gas. We have to put a location, gas tank filler, a filler spot right there. I mean, mine are a little big, but that's fine. Yours is a little small. Mine's too big, yours is too small. Is that okay? Perfectly fine. So I like these trucks a lot. There's a couple more details we can do to make these look even cooler. One, we're gonna put a sign out in the front.
Yes.
Okay. You've got to make your sign. You can either make it tall and have the wooden sign over here, or you can just make a small sign. It's up to you. Okay, so we're gonna put a sign. Odin's going ahead, but here are the steps. You do one line up, and then another line up, but not perfectly parallel. It's an old wooden sign, right? Next, it's kind of crooked, it's kind of beat up. Next, we're gonna put a piece of broken wood on here.
There.
And it's gonna have some, oh, look at yours. It's gonna have some zigzags. Because it's a piece of broken wood that they used to create a sign. And on that sign, it's gonna say E, F for Elevated Fabworks.
E, F.
Mm-hmm. EF and then dash.
No.
Like that.
I kind of want a dash.
5 MI. That means they're 5 miles away from their shop. All we have are some wind lines, but you don't have to do them because yours isn't a cartoon. I love your wind lines. Those are awesome. All right, we have a couple more things. We thought that when we did quite a bit of practice for this, and we thought that a second line here,
yes,
ooh,
yes,
kind of makes it look a little more complete. So we did that line, and then we did some lines coming off the tires, just like this, to also show just how fast it's going.
Hey, wait, I forgot a door handle.
Oh, you need a door handle. Definitely. All right, so watch what we do here, Odin. We do line, line, and then a line in the middle.
You're doing that.
You can fix those up as much as you know. You can mess with those as much as you want.
I'm not gonna.
You don't have to do it. That's fine. And then we do one here, here, and here.
Hey, wait, Dad. Can I draw a guy in the back?
You want to draw a guy in the back? You draw a guy in the back, buddy. Okay. So next, we just need to add some color. We'll add some grass at the bottom of this post. Color them up. We'll be done.
Can we do a magic trick?
All right, Odin's decided instead of just coloring it regular style, we're gonna do a magic trick. Magic tricks are fun. We do magic tricks a lot on this channel. So what we're gonna do is we're each gonna flip a bottle. I have a water bottle. Odin has a Gatorade bottle, and we're gonna flip it and try to get it to land on our drawings.
But if it goes off it,
try to get it to land at the same time as well.
But
this is going to be tricky, bud.
Yes.
All right, ready? Let's go.
Ready.
1, 2, 3. Oh, it's okay. We can get that later. Oh, you got it. 1, 2, 3. Got it again. 1, 2, 3. It works! Look at that!
Look.
Good flips. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So these are our mini box trucks. We think they came out really cool. We had a lot of fun drawing these. We drew a lot of versions of these. We practiced a lot. These cartoon versions we think came out super cool. Odin's real version came out super awesome. We really had a great time. So once again, check out Patrick's YouTube channel. It's called Elevated Fabworks. All kinds of really cool stuff on his channel. More to come. He's just really getting started.
It's just like...
Yeah, Elevated Fabworks. That's right. So we hope you enjoyed drawing along. Did you guys have a lot of fun?
Yeah.
All right. Until we see you next time,
Keep
drawing.
drawing. Stay awesome.
Bye.